Memorial Day cookouts drift bigger by 25 to 40% between RSVP and the actual yard. Yes, really. So you plan for 12, and 16 show up. Now here's the thing. ChatGPT just listed buns when you already had buns, and mustard, and ketchup. That's $30 of duplicate buys, plus one extra trip to the store on Sunday afternoon. Today, we're going to fix that in 15 minutes flat. Here's the shape that actually holds. For 8 to 16 guests, 2 proteins, 3 sides, 1 cold dish, 1 drink. That's it. The Hearth, Patio, and Barbecue Association's 2025 report? Burgers and chicken are the 2 most grilled proteins in America. Hot dogs come in third. So, a mixed crowd. Kids, lapsed vegetarians, your uncle who only eats meat gets covered by burgers plus brined chicken thighs. And I know what you're thinking. What about brisket? Brisket is a smoker program, not a Monday afternoon program. Save it for the day before cook. The sides that survive 90 minutes in direct sun. Vinegar coleslaw, German potato salad, baked beans, watermelon feta. Mayo coleslaw in the sun? Hard no. Now, why does pantry-aware AI beat ChatGPT for a cookout? It comes down to one thing. State. ChatGPT can generate a brilliant menu in 30 seconds, but it doesn't know what's in your fridge. So the grocery list it spits out is a clean slate inventory, not a delta against your kitchen. For 12 people, that's $20 to $30 of duplicate buys, every time. And here's the worst part. Swap one side dish on Saturday morning, and the menu, the list, and the timeline are now out of sync. You're maintaining 3 artifacts in your head until Monday. Not fun. A pantry-aware app holds all 3 at once. Update 1. The other 2 resync automatically. Okay, the 15-minute workflow. 8 steps, about 2 minutes each. Step 1. Lock the guest count and the grill window. Plan for the upper bound, that 25% buffer. Step 2. Pick the protein anchor. Burgers plus chicken thighs is the default for mixed crowds. Step 3. And this is the one most people botch. Build sides around the oven and counter, not the grill. A grill handling 4 sides becomes a bottleneck. The protein suffers. Step 4. Hand the AI your constraints. 5 inputs: guest count, grill type, cook window, dietary restrictions, make-ahead requirement. Steps 5 through 8 handle pantry deduction, the wave-based grocery list, the backward cook timeline, and the make-ahead plus cold dish combo. We'll walk through the timeline next. Now the grocery list. Split it into 2 waves. Must-have wave. Proteins, charcoal or propane, buns, ice, plates. If any of these are out of stock, the cookout has a real problem. Flexible wave. Produce, garnishes, fresh herbs. If the store's out of cucumbers, the cucumber salad becomes coleslaw, not a crisis. And, important, Memorial Day grocery pickup slots fill 48 to 72 hours in advance. Confirm yours Wednesday or Thursday. Wait until Saturday? Expect to drive. Then, sequence the cook timeline backward from your eat hour. For a 3 p.m. eat, chicken thighs on at 1:30, corn at 1:55, burgers on direct heat at 2:10. Everything plated by 2:30. A written timeline beats a memorized one. Every single time. Especially when 14 people are in your yard asking where the napkins are. So, that's the playbook. 2 proteins, 3 sides, 1 cold dish, 1 drink. A pantry-aware AI to hold the menu, the list, and the timeline in sync. Wave-based shopping confirmed by Thursday. Backwards sequenced cook timeline. And 1 make-ahead dish plus 1 cold dish to drop Monday's workload by half. Recipy holds all 3 pieces of state for you, automatically. The full read with every step and the failure table by AI is on the blog. Subscribe for more long-form explainers at recipyapp.com.